Stop right there. Can you answer this one question in English? Tell me about yourself. Most beginners hear this question and they freeze, like a computer that stopped working. Buffering, buffering.
Oh, Emma, that is so true. I remember the first time someone asked me that in a new language. I just said, uh, um, I am, and then smiled and walked away. Okay, here we go. Hello, my name is Alex. I am from the United States. I am a teacher and I love my job. I have a small family, my parents and one younger brother. In my free time, I enjoy drinking coffee, listening to music, and of course, teaching English. How was that?
Alex, that was perfect. Did you hear that? Short sentences, simple words, but so much feeling, so much personality. Now it is your turn. Pause this video and say your introduction out loud right now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. This is the moment.
Let's quickly review. Repeat after me out loud.
My name is, I am from, I come from, I am years old. I have a big/small family. I live with my parents. I am a student/teacher/engineer. I work in, I study at, I like, I love, I enjoy.
Say those every single day. In the mirror, in the shower, while you're walking. Talk to yourself in English. It's not crazy. It's called practice.
We want to say something to you before we go. Learning English is not easy. We know that. Some days feel hard. Some days you make mistakes. But every single day that you show up, like you showed up today, you are getting better.
We are so proud of you, truly. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to try.
Now, we have a challenge for you. Go to the comments right now and write your introduction in English, just like Alex did. Tell us your name, where you're from, and one thing you love.
We read every single comment, and we would love to learn about you.
And if this video helped you, please share it with one friend who is also learning English. One share from you can change someone else's journey.
Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing,
And keep growing. Bye, everyone! But not anymore, because today on Learn How to Learn English, we are going to fix that forever. By the end of this video, you will be able to talk about your life in English, confidently, clearly, and beautifully. Are you ready? Let's go! Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn How to Learn English. I am Emma, and I am so happy you are here today.
and I am Alex. Hi, everyone. Hello. Okay, Emma, I am very excited about today's topic. Like, very excited.
I can hear that, Alex. And honestly, our listeners should be excited too, because this is one of the most useful things you will ever learn in English.
That's true, because in real life, at school, at work, meeting new people, someone always asks you, "Who are you? What do you do? Tell me about yourself." And today, we teach you exactly what to say.
But before we start, if you are new here, please subscribe to Learn How to Learn English. We make lessons that are simple, fun, and actually useful. So hit that subscribe button right now. Go ahead, we'll wait. Okay, let's begin. Okay, the very first thing people want to know about you is your name? Simple, right? Let's say it together.
You can say, my name is Alex. Or you can say, I am Alex. Both are correct. Both are beautiful.
Now, Alex, I have a very important question for you.
Oh, what is it?
What is your name?
Oh, wow. Such a difficult question, Emma. My name is Alex. See? So simple. So easy. You can do this.
Now, the second thing. Where are you from? You can say, I am from Pakistan, or I come from England.
I am from. Remember this phrase. I come from. This one too.
Now pause this video right now and say your name and where you are from. Out loud. Don't be shy. There is nobody judging you. Just try. We believe in you.
Okay. Next, your age. How old are you? In English, you say, I am 22 years old. I am 35 years old.
Alex, how old are you?
Emma, you don't ask a person their age. Okay, fine. I am a wonderful age.
Perfect answer. Now, your family. This is very important. You can say, I have a big family, or I have a small family.
You can also say, I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. Or, I live with my parents. Or, I live alone.
Family words feel very personal, very close to the heart. And now, you can share that part of your heart in English. Isn't that beautiful?
It really is, Emma. It really is.
Now, what do you do? Are you working? Are you studying? This is one of the most common questions in English conversations.
You can say, I am a student. I am a teacher. I am a doctor. I work in an office. I study at university.
Alex, what do you do?
I am an English teacher, and I love my job.
We can hear that. Now think, what do you do? Say it out loud. I am a, or I work in. Go on, say it. We are listening.
This is the fun part. Okay, Emma, now comes the best part. My favorite part.
What is it?
Hobbies. What do you love to do?
Oh, yes, this is where your personality comes out.
You can say, I love watching movies. I enjoy reading books. I like cooking food. I am passionate about music.
3 magic words for hobbies. Remember them. I like, I love, I enjoy.
For me, I love teaching. I love coffee. And I love making people laugh.
And for me, I love English. I love talking, and I love talking about English.
Now you. What do you love? Close your eyes for 1 second. Think about what makes you happy. Now say it in English. That is your hobby. And now you can share it with the world.
Okay, Alex, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's put everything together. Can you introduce yourself fully right now?